Hi. So today I'm here with my March lineup. Better late than never, I guess. But no, I was waiting for some stuff to come in because I wanted to have like a complete lineup. So yeah, a little later than I wanted to get it up, but yeah, anyway, I'm very stoked for this lineup. I feel like I've got some top tier combos. Some are questionable, some I feel like are going to be really good. But yeah, so let's hop in here. So first for the week of March 4th through the 10th, I'm using the September Mystery Goth Doll from CaressPress. This was the week that we saw Loveless in Cincy, so there was a vlog for that, so you may have seen that. But yeah, it was a really fun weekend, and this felt right for like a concert week. So yeah, this was one of my all-time favorite kits, not even mysteries, just like kits. So I really hope she like reformats or re-releases it or whatever this year, because I definitely want to get a backup. But yeah, anyway, the foil for this. So first we've got some black solids from AliciaCraft. And then I've got green hollow for the overlays. So we've got some solid stars from Plannahannah. I kind of overfoiled these, so that's my bad, but they're still pretty usable. And then the checker underlays. Did I already say that I'm using like lime or green hollow or whatever? I can't remember, even though it was like 2 seconds ago. But yeah, we're using lime hollow for all of the overlays. So we've got the checker bottom washi. I forgot to grab a different pattern washi, so I'll probably just use like a bow or a confetti or something. Then we've got the confetti 4 full box overlays from Plannahannah. I do have a code with Hannah. You can use DOMI15 to save and get my freebie. And then I am also using the wavy checkers. I feel like this is a lot of green hollow, so I think when I do the scripts, I'm probably going to do them in either purple hollow or pink hollow, just to pull in more of the colors from the kit. But yeah, I am very stoked for this. I think it's going to be so cute. I mean, it is giving Austin FC a little bit, but that's okay. But yeah, I think that's going to be super cute. And then for the 11th through the 17th, which was St. Patrick's Day, I am using Lucky Girl from CaressPress. I was originally not going to do a St. Patrick's Day kit because I don't really like care that much about it, and I don't really love a lot of traditional St. Patrick's Day kits, but Soda Pop just came in, so sorry if you hear little cat noises. But yeah, as I was saying, I really loved the colors of this, and it's kind of groovy, kind of retro, and like the Lucky Charm bottom washi was so freaking cute, and it's what sold me on the kit. And then foil wise, it's a little sus because I don't know how well the patterned underlays are gonna show up over the solids. So for the solids, we've got pink hollow. And then I've got the Lucky Charm underlays from PlanWithMeStickers in gold hollow. I felt like gold hollow and pink hollow would be super cute with this kit, but like also I don't know how layering a hollow over another hollow is gonna go, but I feel like this has potential to be really freaking cute. And then as you guys know, I'm obsessed with the sparkly green foil from SPC, and if I can find a way to use it, I will. And I don't know, it's just, it's so good. And I feel like it matches with so much more than you think it would. But yeah, I think it matches pretty dang perfectly with the minty green color in the kit. So yeah, very stoked for that. And then let's see, the 18th through the 24th, I'm gonna be sick. I'm so excited for this spread. This is one of my all-time favorite kits. Again, it's just so good. So I'm using the Cyber Monday Mystery from SPC, and I'm going a little bit rogue with the foil. So underlay wise, we have the Groovy Checkers from Plannahannah in the pink hollow flower. I don't know. I mess it up every single time I say it, but it's that foil, you know which one. And it's in the Groovy checker pattern with like the cute little smiley daisies. And then I really did not foil these well. I am sorry. But I've got solids from AliciaCraft that I foiled in lemongrass. And then I wanted to use like sparkly lemongrass, but I felt like that wouldn't look the best under the Groovy checkers. So I just did lemongrass for the solid underlays, and then for the overlays, I have a bunch of stuff here. So we've got some confetti 4 in sparkly lemongrass that I foiled from Plannahannah, and then the daisy headers from Plannahannah, and then the happy daisies from Plan With Me stickers. And also, I do have a code with Plan With Me stickers as well. You can use DOMI15 to save it and get my freebie with her as well. Oh yeah, I had a second washi. I don't know where it went. But yeah, I foiled the second washi. So I think it was just kind of like a confetti daisy pattern. So yeah, this spread is going to be a lot, but I feel like it's going to be an absolute banger. And everyone I've seen who's used this kit so far, it's just been a top tier spread. And then for the week of March 25th through the 31st, I'm using Unwind from CaressPress. I just love this art. It's so soft and pretty and relaxing. I can't remember when it came out, if it was last year or the year before, but this has been in my collection for a while, and the time has finally come to use it. But the entire time that I've had this kit in my collection, I've had it in my mind that I wanted to do a light olive, light blue mixed metal. But I went a little rogue. Sticking with the light olive, I foiled these myself. I don't believe this is a color that Alicia has. I think Hannah is the only shop I've seen who carries this particular shade of green. All other shops who sell olive that I've seen, it's been more of like a darker true olive color. And also, I'm so sorry, I don't remember the website that I got this roll from. It was just like a one-off site, and I can't remember what it was. It's the only thing I've ever ordered from that site. So if you need this color, Hannah has it. So anyway, at the last minute, I decided for some reason that I thought sparkly rose would be really pretty with this kit. I know it's like kind of sus with the light olive, but I don't know. It could kind of be a moment. Like, it's either going to be top tier or fugly. And I'm intrigued to see which one it's going to be. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's kind of a cool combo, right? Or am I just being delusional? I don't know. But these are the arches underlays from Plan With Me stickers. Yes, like I've wanted to use the arches underlays with this kit since I got it, just because, okay, first of all, I feel like the arches are just a very underrated, well, you can't even see the pattern in this lighting really well. Maybe you can kind of see it there. But it's one of my favorite neutral patterns, and I think it's very underrated. And there's just something about like the curves of the arches that I thought played really nicely into the curves in the art. So I'm using the arches underlays. Then I've got the confetti headers from Plannahannah. I foiled all of this myself. Hannah does have this color. She calls it Pixie Rose, I believe. I'm not 100% sure if Plan With Me Stickers has it though. And then I've got the confetti 4 and then the twinkle 15mm from Plan With Me stickers as well. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up my March lineup. I'm very stoked to see how all of these spreads are gonna turn out. So yeah, anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching and hanging out today. All of these shops, as well as the PR codes I have, will be linked down below if you would like to check any of those out. But yeah, thanks again for hanging out, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.